This exercise right here is one of the best exercises you can do with your horse. We call it the predator approach and rub. So what we'll do is we'll have Dewald get off at the back there. And this is what we do to build confidence with our horses. And then he's going to step away from her. We've taught our horses to ground tie, to stand patiently. That's part of our course. And he's going to step away to the side without the horse moving off the spot. And then he's going to approach her as a predator would. And then he's going to get on top of her again. And we teach our horses to stand still even when we mount them in funny ways, to build their confidence, make sure that they feel safe about us approaching them, that they don't see us as a predator. And then we progress this exercise to the point where we get off at the back. At the most dangerous place that you can be. You'll see Dewald sliding off at the back there. And teaching our horses, it's fine to have us in their blind spots. So if you want to learn this exercise and many of our other exercises, make sure you go to our website, subscribe to our mailing list to get ready for our online course that will be launched later in this year.